How to start writing on Medium. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can start writing on Medium. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's dive right into it. First step is you'll need to simply go to Medium. So head over to medium.com. So after you're on medium.com, tap on Get Started option on the top right to sign up. And you can sign up with your Google. I'll just sign up with my Google account here and start setting up my account. So there you can see you can write your full name and then tap on Create Account. Now you can choose what you like here, whatever your interests are. Then tap on Continue. So here you can start paying if you want, or I'll just continue with a free account. And there we go. Now after you've created your Medium account, what you'll need to do is you can basically start writing. So there you can tap on Write option on the top right. And after you tap on that, you can now start writing. So you can write a title and then start telling your story or whatever you want to write, a novel or basically a blog or whatever you want. So from here you can also change your fonts and stuff, so it's completely up to you. You can add links and things, and finally tap on the Publish button. So let me show you where the Publish button was, right here. Tap on the green Publish button and then add a topic. Then tap on Publish Now and it should be published. And there you go. That's how you start writing on your Medium. Thanks for watching. That's basically all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.